In the rich and diverse culinary map of Vietnam, each region has its own signature dishes that reflect the lifestyle and culture of its people. From Hanoi's pho and Saigon's banh mi to Hue's beef noodle soup, every dish carries a unique story and identity. Among these, grilled pork with vermicelli, bun cha nuong, stands out as an indispensable breakfast choice for Hanoians in particular and Vietnamese people in general. More than just a dish, bun cha nuong is a culinary symbol of Hanoi, deeply rooted in tradition and crafted with refined technique. Bun cha nuong is believed to have first appeared in Hanoi around the 20th century. Although the exact creator remains unknown, the dish gradually became a familiar and popular breakfast option over time. The renowned writer Vu Bang once mentioned bun cha in his book, Minh Ngon Hanoi, The Delicacies of Hanoi, referring to it as an essential part of Hanoi's culinary life. In the past, bun cha was sold by street vendors with small charcoal stoves glowing red and the sizzling sound of meat grilling. Today, bun cha has made its way into restaurants and eateries across the country, still preserving the soul of the traditional dish. To craft a delicious bowl of bun cha, familiar yet refined ingredients are a must. First, there's the fresh vermicelli, thin, soft, white strands made from aromatic rice. Next is the grilled pork, which comes in two forms, patties, cha vien, and thin slices, cha ming. Pork belly or shoulder is either thinly sliced or minced, then marinated with garlic, shallots, pepper, fish sauce, sugar, and a touch of honey to enhance color and shine. Once fully marinated, the meat is grilled over charcoal until golden and fragrant. The dipping sauce is the soul of the dish, made from fish sauce, vinegar, sugar, garlic, chili, and water, combined with pickled green papaya or carrots to add a crunchy, tangy flavor. The fresh herbs served alongside include lettuce, basil, perilla, bean sprouts, and Vietnamese balm, creating a delightful blend of textures and aromas. Not only is bun cha tasty, but it's also beneficial for health. Grilled meat provides protein and essential fats, while fresh herbs offer fiber and vitamins that aid digestion. Vermicelli made from rice supplies carbohydrates, the main source of energy for daily activities. However, to maintain good health, diners should moderate their intake of grilled meat and choose eateries that ensure food safety and hygiene. For many Hanoians, bun cha is the perfect breakfast option. It's not as heavy as a rice meal, but more satisfying than porridge or pastries. A complete portion of bun cha, paired with fresh herbs and a rich dipping sauce, can warm the heart on a chilly Hanoi morning. More than just a dish, bun cha is a cultural symbol. It gained international fame when former U.S. President Barack Obama chose to eat it during his 2016 visit to Vietnam, alongside celebrity chef Anthony Bourdain. The image of the two enjoying bun cha in a small Hanoi eatery is proof of the dish's universal appeal: delicious, approachable, and inviting. Today, bun cha is not only found throughout Vietnam, but also introduced abroad, appearing on the menus of many Vietnamese restaurants overseas. This helps promote Vietnamese cuisine and serves as a cultural bridge between nations. While the traditional taste is preserved, bun cha has also seen creative variations to suit modern preferences. Some places substitute regular vermicelli with brown rice noodles or turmeric-infused noodles for added nutritional value. Others innovate with new dipping sauces or replace pork with beef or chicken to cater to dieters or those with specific dietary needs. Eating bun cha is not just about getting full. It's a complete sensory experience. A true foodie might drizzle some dipping sauce over the vermicelli, pick up a piece of hot grilled pork, add a handful of herbs, and savor the harmony of flavors. The sweetness of the meat, the tangy, spicy kick of the sauce, and the refreshing crunch of the greens come together in a flavorful symphony that's hard to forget. Bun cha nuong is not merely a breakfast dish. It is a quintessential representation of Vietnamese culinary excellence. Through the years, it has retained its charm and become an integral part of Hanoi's food culture. Amidst the fast-paced modern lifestyle, bun cha continues to uphold its traditional values while evolving to meet contemporary tastes. Whether you're a local or a foreign visitor, once you've tried bun cha nuong, you're bound to be captivated by its distinctive flavor and the harmonious blend of its ingredients.